Hey, Pumpkin. Hey, yeah, you're still a little too tiny for that, huh? Baby girl. Hey, you. Can you turn around here, honey? Come on. You can do it. Look at them little legs. Can you jump? Oh, can you jump? You're so little. Okay, we're done. Okay.